Dude,
Look at this motherfucker.
So fucking bad, dude.
He say you ugly ass fucking nerds.
Make me group leader. I'm gonna try to get him to join.
Say sorry.
I raped the shit out of Judy.
Oh wait, hold on. He might got me on ignore from last night.
Look at you, man. Look, he's a little bitch. Look at this. Look.
Yeah, he ignored me. He ain't gonna join.
He pooped. He's gone. Little bitch ass fucking Prez little boy. You always want to talk shit, dude. When you ain't even know shit, you don't even know how to change your fucking IP, you bitch ass motherfucker.
Oh shit, Dragon.